Right, what I'm going to do today is clean this patio. On the seat here, this is all from the runner beans before I move them. A few bits there, need sweeping up, and I've got some weeds coming through the patio. So I'm going to try and move everything off of the patio so I can get a good sweep, get rid of the weeds, and then put everything back. There we are, getting there. That looks better. Got rid of most of the weeds, had a bit of a sweep up, wash down. Bye for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.